Dear PD test takers, you are not failing because of your language related weaknesses. No, it's because of some of poor strategies. I say rubbish strategies. They are not even strategies. They are whims of some of people, some teachers. For example, one of these is one sentence strategy in read aloud. That's the biggest rubbish. Some students might have got score, but they may have been different reasons. But please do not put everyone in the same shoe. No, everyone has a different size. Everyone has different language abilities. So no, I say so many students, even I have seen so many students who have got scores with me, they came from other places. They were using one sentence strategy and that was rubbish. And the language was all right. So many students, the language is all right. The thing is, there might be minor issues somewhere in some vowel sounds, in consonant sounds, or some connected speech or stress or intonation related issues. They can be fixed. But when you give them one line strategies, and the thing is, because it's an academic exam, you don't try to hack computer, okay? If you do that, go to some professional hacker, IT specialist, not those teachers even who don't know either. So yes, my suggestion is don't buy this rubbish. There are other strategies. I also tell you about one myth or that rubbish that spread a few years back. And how did I know? Because a student came to me who joined my classes and he heard somewhere that when you backspace your keyboard, it affects your spelling score or in writing. That was rubbish. I say, how can it? Because your answer is marked once it's completed. After the time, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, once you have just entered the task, once the task has been completed, then it's marked. Not that when you press backspace key or forward space key, no. And I said the low score in spelling was only because of your spacing errors. Sometimes you don't give space between commas and next word or sometime. So the computer might not pick that as for example, an accepted word. It might take it as an error because that's not in any way in dictionary. If you put a word with a comma or a word that begins with a comma, sometimes computer might not take that as a word. So I told them that that's the reason the sometimes spelling score is low, not your backspace or something rubbish. So there are so many such things. I'll be talking about some of these things that are going around and who are paying. Students are paying how? Because they are failing. They're failing because of those rubbish strategies. Sometimes they fail in reading, they fail in speaking. It affects other score.